Oh, hi! Welcome to Biology 101, the show that imparts knowledge to you, our scientist aspirants. I am Angelica Pilande, I'm your host, and today we'll be tackling about Introduction to Genetics. We also have a surprise guest for you at the end of the show, so make sure you listen all the way through. Genetics help us understand the biological programming behind of life forms, but what exactly is the science of genetics and what that its future holds? Genetics is the study of heredity, the expression of traits and how they are passed from generation to generation. For thousands of years, humans have observed this inheritance of traits and implemented their knowledge to breed and domesticate plants and animals. However, the science behind inheritance was only starting to be understood in the mid 19th century. Around 1865, Austrian monk and botanist Gregor Mendel published the result of his hybridization study of pea plants. In his findings, he noted the role of factors that influence the expression of traits. This factor later became known as genes. Each human has between 20,000 and 25,000 genes. This collection called a genome determines a person's traits by influencing factors on a cellular level. Genetic information is stored in every cell's nucleus structures called chromosomes. Carry this information in the form of deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. DNA is a double helix of nucleotides, chemical compounds composed of sugar and phosphate molecules, along with the bases thymine, adenine, guanine, and cytosine. This segment of DNA are what we call genes, and it is within those genes that chemical compounds provide the coding for all information about a person's hereditary traits. And that is all for today's lecture. This is Angelica Vilande, your host in the Biology 101.